Welcome guys! Oh, das ist da für eine Scheiße eigentlich dort. Yeah, welcome to behind the scenes of Groschi Automotive. I'm sitting here in the Aston Martin V12 Vanquish Volante, a beautiful car, and it sounds pretty good too. V12 naturally... Huh? Ah, okay. Sorry. V12 naturally aspirated. Unfortunately, our cameraman isn't the best, so I can't rev it because it will distort. But I will go for right now. You guys come along. Ist doch geil. Thank you guys for watching. My name is Kai. I'll see you guys next time. Groschi Automotive.
Also.
Good. Perfectly for this car, I know. But it's starting to rain very strong, so let's better close up this roof. Scheint da die pralle Sonne. So eine Scheiße. Das passt wieder gar nicht, hat so eine Aufnahme alles.
Gut.
What's up, guys? My name is Kai. We are here.
Nochmal.
Zu laut, gell?
Ja. Schreit immer so rein. Immer so beim Test. Dann so, ja!
Video in the front Mondeo door handles in the car and it looked very cheap. Da musst du raus. You really get what you pay for and you pay 270. Schon geil. Das ist schon was Besonderes. Das kriegst du halt im Porsche nicht.
Mein Gott.
Warum geht der manchmal nicht an? Really worth it. It gives you that special feeling combined with that naturally aspirated V12 engine. That's just something, because I drive real sports cars, so this isn't a sports car. It's a old gentleman's. It's a gentleman's sports car. Naja. Hallo? Ja?
Das ist Kai Piet.
Mach mal so ein Follow. Hier, ich glaube. Jetzt her, du! Der Leo zufrieden ist. So, talking about the price, Aston Martin Vanquish after having a little talk with Leonhard von Leer. Take one. Jetzt fällt mir nichts mehr ein. The shifts are very fast, direction is very quick. I mean, there's nothing to...